Ooh, that's nice, Maddie.
And behind the ears.
Ooh, that tickles, Maddie.
And don't forget onto those paws.
Ooh, tickly.
Oh no, it's all gone.
That's a funny sound. Do that again.
I wonder what it sounds like underwater.
Ooh,
Bubbles! Whee! It's like a submarine.
A squeezy, wheezy submarine.
Deep down in the ocean.
Ooh. Captain Maddie, I'm happy to report that our submarine is operating in tip-top ship shape.
Excellent, Lieutenant Triggs. We can always rely on the squeezy wheezy.
The world's first submarine powered exclusively by bubbles.
Bubbles, bubbles, everybody's blowing bubbles, 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 down in our submarine. My name's Captain Maddie.
And I'm her number 2.
In a squeezy wheezy submarine, we explore the ocean blue.
Each adventure's different, exploring new frontiers.
Discovering new worlds each day by following our ears. Bubbles, bubbles, everybody's blowing bubbles, 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 down in our submarine.
Emergency SOS incoming, Captain Maddie. Shall I open a channel of communication?
Please do, Lieutenant Triggs. Who is it?
Quack, quack, SOS, SOS. Please help, I appear to be in a spot of bottle.
It's Dennis the ducky.
What seems to be the problem, Dennis?
I seem to be snagged on some sort of chain somewhere around the bottom of the ocean floor. Help!
Stay where you are, Dennis. The squeezy wheezy is on its way. If a creature gets in trouble,
We know just what to do.
with our squeezy wheezy submarine, we'll come and rescue you. Bubbles, bubbles, everybody's blowing bubbles, 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 down in our submarine.
Visual confirmation of Dennis the rubber ducky straight ahead, Captain Maddie.
Dennis, can you see us?
Quack, quack, yes, roger that. But I still can't free myself from this chain, Captain Maddie. I need your help.
He seems to be snared by some sort of metal chain attached to a plug hole cover.
It's the plug hole at the bottom of the ocean, Lieutenant Triggs. There's only one thing for it. It's time to pull that plug.
Aye, aye, Captain. Full steam ahead. Captain Maddie, submarine robot arm activated. Plug and chain has been grasped, Captain.
Hey, Triggs, do you want to come play hopscotch with me?
Maddie, Triggs has a sore paw, remember? I think he needs to rest in his bed.
Aw, but I want to play.
Maybe you could sing a song with Triggs instead. Maybe the one where you sing the words and Triggs does the woofs.
It's worth a try, I suppose. We've been best friends since you were a little puppy. Mom, he's lost his wolf.
Oh no, Triggs. You're in worse shape than I thought. I wonder if we need to bring you to Vet Johnson.
Not Vet Johnson.
But Triggs, she's lovely.
Triggs, please. I really want you to feel better so that we can sing our song again.
Oh, okay then.
Yes. I'll ring Vet Johnson and tell her we're on our way.
Are we there yet?
No.
Are we there yet?
No.
Are we there yet?
No.
Are we there yet?
Yes.
Okay, so Derek, tell me how you're going to take care of Flopsy the guinea pig for the next week.
I'm going to give him his medicine 3 times a day.
And what's that for?
To stop him getting the hiccups again.
Good. And what's the other extra special thing you have to do?
Give him lots of cuddles.
That's the one. Sure, he'll be back hopping around in no time.
Bye, Vet Johnson. Thank you.
Bye-bye, Derek. OK, who's next?
Hello, Vet.
Hi, Vet Johnson.
Oh.
Little bit of an emergency with Triggs, I'm afraid.
Sorry, Mrs. S. I think McGinty was here first.
That's no problem, Vet Johnson. You leave the little doggy go in first.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Vet Johnson, my doggy Triggs has a sore paw and he's lost his woof.
Lost his woof. Oh, that's terrible. Oh, that paw looks a bit red, all right. I might take a closer look if that's okay.
Of course. We'll wait here.
Mom, I hope Triggs is going to be okay.
Don't you worry. I've been through this vet's many's a time, and Vet Johnson has never let me down.
See, Maddie? Triggs is going to be fine. You just keep thinking positive thoughts.
We've been best friends since he was a little puppy. I love rubbing his belly even when he's all naughty, when I'm feeling sad or a little grumpy. Triggs can snuggle up beside me, never lonely when he's with me.
That's a beautiful song. Why did you stop singing?
Because they're supposed to be wolves, but Triggs isn't here to do the wolves.
Oh, Maddie, don't be sad.
Well, I can't help you out with a woof. How about an oink?
What?
This is Cornelius the pig. He has a little pain inside in his pot belly. That's Mary the duck. She's got the sniffles. And that's Dermot the monkey. There's nothing wrong with him. He just came along for the spin.
That's a lot of animals.
So that's not even the half of them.
Here's my piglet Sue, she's got the flu. I brought her to the vet today to see what she could do. And here's my parrot Jack, he loves to snack. He ate all of Sue's food, now his tummy's not so good.
Does Vet Johnson always make them better?
Nearly every time.
You know what, Mum? I think Triggs is gonna be okay.
I think you're probably right, Maddie.
I'll wait patiently. I'll wait and see. If he walks through the door with this bark back like before, he might be feeling sad. He might have an owie. Triggs will snuggle up beside me. I'll make sure that he's comfy.
Someone is still fast asleep in bed.
Oh, doggy bickies. Oh, butterflies.
Time to get up, Triggs. It's breakfast time.
Oh, no, I don't want to get up. I'm too sleepy.
Triggs, you can't stay in bed all morning. It's a lovely sunny day.
Oh, that's what that pesky birdie outside the window has been saying since sunrise.
You mean this little birdie?
No, my ears.
Good morning, little birdie. I wonder what he's singing. I know what you're singing. You're singing a song to Triggs, aren't you? Come and play with me up in the garden. We can climb a tree up in the garden. Feel the cool breeze up in the garden. We'll join the birds and bees and greet the day.
Would you like some cereal with your milk, Maddie?
Yes, please, Dad.
How about you, sleepyhead? Do you want some breakfast?
No, Mr. S. I'm too sleepy. I might just rest my head on this piece of toast and have a little nap.
So I guess you won't be wanting any of these tasty doggy biscuits then?
What? Doggy biscuits? Oh, why didn't you say? Woof, woof. Yummy doggy biscuits.
I think Triggs might be more hungry than sleepy.
Oh, who's this then?
It's the little birdie. He wants us to come outside and play. He says there's loads of butterflies who need a chase.
Ooh, butterflies.
Oh, and you can tell all that from just listening to the bird song, can you?
It's amazing what you hear when you really take the time to listen, Mum. Come on, let's go run. Hop in the garden. We'll sing and dance for fun. Hop in the garden. We'll drink in all the sun. Hop in the garden. We'll join